Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following with reference to the powers of the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. 1. The chairman can cast a vote only in case of a tie. 2. The chairman has the authority to break a tie in a division vote but cannot vote in any other case. 3. The chairman can suspend members of the Rajya Sabha for disruptive behavior. How many of the above are incorrect? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer A. 2 only. Statement 1 is correct. The chairman of the Rajya Sabha has a casting vote in case of a tie during a division vote. This means that the chairman can cast a vote to break the tie, but cannot vote in regular proceedings. Statement 2 is incorrect. While the chairman can break a tie during a division vote, the chairman does not vote in other cases, as per the rules of procedure. The chairman's casting vote is used only in the event of a tie. Statement 3 is correct. The chairman of the Rajya Sabha has the authority to suspend members for disruptive or unruly behavior during the proceedings of the House. The chairman can take disciplinary action to maintain order. Which country was the first to sign the ASEAN Free Trade Area (AFTA) agreement? A. Malaysia. B. Thailand. C. Singapore. D. Indonesia. Option C is correct. Singapore was the first country to fully implement the ASEAN Free Trade Area (AFTA) agreement signed in 1992. AFTA aimed to reduce trade barriers and promote regional economic integration among ASEAN members. Singapore, being a highly trade-oriented economy, took the lead in implementing the agreement.